Then get up, get dressed.
All right, check it out, guys. Y'all know that I am putting my dressing room together, right? Everything has been coming along great. I've been taking you along with everything that I have been buying for this dressing room, and it has been turning out. Don't mind my little sidekick here. He needs something. Anyway, guys, I have a lot of things that I am going to show you, and I'm going to show you just how good the room is coming along, okay? One of the things that I am going to show you is this. See if I can get it for you guys. It is a bookcase. Now, I seen this up here last week. I seen it up there last week, and it's like a 6-cube organizer. But today, I decided to get it because I do need this in my room. Now, I got 2 of them. It looks like this. Okay? I got 2 of them. And what I like about this is I can stack these if I want. I can stack these if I want, and I can do the IKEA hack. You know, just trim it out with trim and, you know, really make it look good. And then they have H organizers that go with these in case you want to organize, you know, the cubes and everything. So, guys, I got 2 of these, and I'll show you the rest of the stuff that I got upstairs. Okay. So now, guys, we are just going to put this thing together, and then I'm going to end up showing y'all the room and where I'm going to place this, okay? So, guys, the outfit for today is my little fur baby sweater, my little leather pants, and my little matching snow boots. For a matter of fact, me and my little puppy, we matching. We matching right now. So, let's get this going, guys. He over here smacking. You see I'm filming. All right, guys, here is everything that came in the box. The pink bag is the bag of screws. And then you have A, B, C, D, and you have the little E panels that come with it and the instructions. I brought everything upstairs in my dressing room, and we're going to assemble it up here. All right, guys, so the first instructions is to take a short dowel and insert it in panel A and C. Okay, so this is panel A. Okay. So guys, as you know, I have been redoing my dressing room. I found new life for my dressing room ever since I took that big jalopy dresser loose.
and that just started a whole thing of me just wanting to redo my dressing room. And I've been finding deals, guys, and redoing this room on a friendly budget. You will be surprised at how I transformed this room under $100. So far, guys, it is under $100. All right, so this right here, this is a bookcase. This is a 6-shelf bookcase. I got this bookcase at Walmart and it was $28. And guys, I'm going to tell you right now, it has its good points and it has its bad points. So keep watching the video and I will explain everything about this bookcase and what I think about it, especially if you're thinking about going to get it. Because for what they're selling it for, that's not a bad price. But just keep watching the video, you'll see.
All right, guys, for one, they didn't give me enough dolls. For two, this thing is flimsy. Now they want me to use the screws to put it in. It's very flimsy. On a scale of 1 to 10, would I buy this again? We'll see. I'll just say that because what I'm gonna use it for is light stuff. Maybe some shoes, maybe a bench, or maybe I can move this all around my house, like in the laundry room, in my son's closet. I can turn it on the side and let it be a shoe bench. I can let it be a stand for something. Because it has so many cubes in it, that's the real reason why I bought it. And it was only $28, guys. But I see why it was only $28.
Now I'm putting the bookshelf together and you see how it keeps falling apart. Look at that. It keeps trying to fall apart. Now initially, guys, I bought 2 of these bookcases. And like I said, I'm not going to do nothing but put something light on there. Maybe some shoes or some purses or maybe store jewelry. on these bookcases just because of how flimsy it is. But I'm going to tell you right now, I think I'm going to take the other one back because this is just ridiculous. Guys, I'm telling you, yeah, I'm going to take the other one back. I'm going to take the other one back. Now, I put the bookcase together and everything, and I tried to fill it up with different things. And as long as you don't move this bookcase around a lot, then, you'll be able to store your little things on the shelves and everything. But I'm going to tell you, other than that, it really wasn't worth $28. It wasn't, to me, it wasn't worth $28. That's why I took the other one back.
So here's what the book stand is looking like. The instructions was garbage. I screwed it together. On one side of this book stand, it's still sort of a little wobbly. Now guys, they want you to, put the panels on there. But because I also bought some wallpaper, guys. I bought some wallpaper. Before I put my panels on here, they want you to stagger the panels. Even if I even need these, they want you to put one here, then one here, then one here. They want you to stagger them. But if I am going to do that, I am going to cover them with wallpaper first, and then I'll put them up. So pretty much, guys, this is the bookcase. Let me see if I can show you where I want to put it. All right, guys, this is the book stand. I have it assembled. It is very flimsy. It is very weak. My door can still open. Here's the door to my bedroom. I have it right against where my door open and close. So that's fine. But let me tell y'all something. Let me show you something. Now, I really bought it for housing either my shoes or my purses. And then that'll give me more room in my closet. But this thing moves. See it shaking? This thing shakes. So I really wouldn't be able to put a lot on there. It's shaking. I wish y'all could see. It's shaking. And let me see here. But it can hold my shoes. It can hold perfume. It can hold colognes and things like that. But it really has, just with doing that, it has opened up a lot of room, in my closet. So, I don't know, guys. It's very, very flimsy, though. I mean, extremely flimsy. Let me see. All right, I took everything off. I may even go get some coasters to go underneath this thing. I don't think I have enough room for it to go to the side over here. Oh, it's flimsy. I should have put some wood glue on this when I assembled it. So if my door opens like this, it'll have to come all the way over. So that's not going to work. That's not going to work. All right, the only place that I can see that I would keep that is right here. And I would love to keep it shakes so bad, guys. I would love to keep the other one and stack the other one on top. But I think I'm gonna end up having to take this loose and put some wood glue on there. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the other one, guys. I really don't know if I'm gonna keep the other bookshelf because, for one, it's not sturdy at all. It was only $28, you know, $31 with tax. But I don't think I need the other one. I don't think I need the other one. So I'm gonna leave the other one. I'm gonna take the other one back. I am gonna take the other one back and get my money back. This should be enough. I'm gonna play around with this, and that should be enough. Yeah, I think that's gonna house my shoes. I think that's gonna house my shoes. My purses is fine where they are, so my shoes will go in there. So guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Know that I appreciate you guys because you come by and spend time with me. You subscribe, you thumb up the videos, and you leave comments. So anything that I did not address in this video that you want to know, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will answer you back. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah. Okay, so now, time for wallpaper.